Tech and clips.
Yeah.
Alright, you guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new on here, you're very much welcome. To my returning subscribers, you are also appreciated on here. Yes, today we're going to check out a song titled All Our Sons and Daughters. All Our Sons and Daughters. This one's coming from John Farnham. It's a live performance. Put this out there, I never heard the song, so strictly going to be a first time listen, first time reaction. Be sure to stick with me to the end of the video. Definitely give my perspective about it. Yeah, you wouldn't want to miss that, guys. So yeah, without wasting much time, without further ado, John Farnham once again with All Our Sons and Daughters. Let's go.
We'd like to leave you with a little gentle one. This is a Dangerfield song. It's for all our children and our children's children and our children's. I think you know what I'm trying to say.
Okay.
And it's called All Our Sons and Daughters.
Okay.
Wow! Oh, yeah! I've got a question, will you answer me? Do you sleep and go to hell, you captain out in the street. You line your pockets, but you poison me. Staring at the face of an emergency. Tell me how they sleep at night. Oh, rising in the water. Oh, breaking down the chain. Oh, for all our sons and daughters. Oh, something's got to change. You hide behind your veil of secrecy. You got the power on your side. I've got a question, will you answer? Where will you run? Where will you hide? Staring at the face of that emergency. Staring at the lonely girl. Oh, poison in the water. Breaking down the chain. Oh, for all our sons and daughters. Oh, something's got to change. Do it, Jack. Wow! Wow! Where will you hide? Staring at the beach of that emergency. Staring at the lonely girl. Oh, poison in the water. Oh, breaking down the chain. Oh, for all our sons and daughters. Oh, something's got to change. Oh, poison in the water. Breaking down the chain. Oh, for all our sons and daughters. Oh, something's got to change. Oh, poison in the water. Breaking down the chain. Oh, for all our sons and daughters. Oh, something's got to change. Thank you. Have a great Christmas and a safe and peaceful New Year. Good night. Please be very careful on the roads. Thanks a lot. Good night.
Wow. So John Farnham with All Our Sons and Daughters live performance. Like I said, first time listening to this song, and wow, this song was definitely energy driven. You know, so full of energy, and I feel like John Farnham's performance, you know, was nothing short of extraordinary. I mean, his powerful yet soulful voice, you know, which I feel like which has you know captivated audiences, you know, for decades. You know, showed no signs of you know waning. You know, with each song, I mean, he effortlessly transported us, you know, back into time. You know, I feel like this song was one of those songs that really he really went in. Yeah, the instrumentation of this song was so powerful, full of energy, you know, guitar riffs here and there, and I mean it was amazing. It was definitely amazing, and the balance between the instrumentation and then his voice was just even, you know, as much as the instrumentation of the song was up there, you know, John Farnham's voice was also above it. You know, you could definitely hear everything that he was saying, and you know, you can definitely feel him, you know, hit all those notes. Yeah, nothing much to say about this performance, but I mean, he definitely. Um, I mean, he killed it. You know, so yeah, one of those songs. I mean, guys, let me know down in the comment section what this song is all about. All Our Sons and Daughters. Please let me know down in the comment section. And I mean, let me know what you want to see next from John Farnham on the channel. Definitely come and do the info. If you stuck with me to the end of the video, you are very much appreciated. Yeah. So subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Once again. So my name is Philip, and on to the next music reaction. Take care, stay safe. Peace out.